Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study English by Prashant Sir step by step. First, focus on building a strong foundation in grammar. Understand the basic rules and how sentences are formed. Next, commit to learning new vocabulary every single day. Even just a few words can make a big difference over time. Finally, make reading a consistent habit to improve your comprehension and exposure to the language. To solidify your grammar, set aside about 30 minutes daily for targeted exercises. This consistent practice helps reinforce what you've learned. For vocabulary, active recall is key. Try using flashcards or a dedicated notebook to test yourself regularly. Don't just passively read words. Additionally, immerse yourself in English by listening to podcasts or watching shows for at least 1 hour daily. This improves listening skills and natural language acquisition. Consistent reading is crucial. Aim for 45 minutes daily with various English materials like articles or books. This broadens your understanding and exposes you to different writing styles. Next, actively practice speaking for at least 15 minutes, either with a partner or by talking to yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Finally, reinforce your learning by writing short paragraphs or journal entries in English every day. This helps organize your thoughts and improves written expression. Regularly review your progress, perhaps once a week, to see what's working and where you might need to adjust your study plan. This ensures you're always moving forward effectively. Also, consider joining online English communities. They offer fantastic opportunities for interactive learning and practicing with others. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy while you focus on your studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.